and then you will have to complete your fair book. Today, let us read this comprehension and try to understand what is it about, and then we'll solve the exercises which are given based on the comprehension. This is your reading skill. You have to improve your reading skills. You have to read the comprehension and try to find out the meanings and answers of the questions which are given. You may use your dictionary, you may Google it, but you have to find the answers. I will be helping you out. So, those are the textbooks. They can open the textbook. It is comprehension number 1. You can find the page number from the index. So, read the passage and answer the questions. See, the heading of the passage is given with MS Dhoni in Adelaide. So everyone knows who is MS Dhoni. No one is no one is unknown with the name of this famous cricketer. And in Adelaide, do you know where is Adelaide? Have you heard the name of the city before? Where is it? Anyone who can tell me where is Adelaide? No one has got an idea where it could be. They are so smart, brilliant students over here. Don't they know where it is? Adelaide is a city in Australia. Is the name of a city in Australia. And there is a big cricket ground over there. Stadium is there. And the name of the stadium is Oval. See here, the name of the stadium is given. Oval Stadium. It is there. The Adelaide Sports Ground. Adelaide Oval Sports Ground. It is there in the city of Adelaide. And here the has author met MS Dhoni in Adelaide, and his experience is shared over here in this passage. So, who will read the first paragraph?
Can I?
Yes, Zainab, you can.
With MS Dhoni in Adelaide, the Indian cricket team was in Adelaide, Jersey, re, rehearsing for the onslaught. Unaware of this development, I landed in Adelaide by the British Airways, le- leading my international environment champion to attend the third international congress. Some years back, as my son had stood in the World Environment Project, he was invited with his principal to participate in Congress. Another half a dozen mischievous children accompanied me because they have also come out with flying colors in other similar projects.
Yes, good. Some words are there. I will tell you about that word. So, here the Indian cricket team was in Adelaide, in the city of Adelaide, rigorously rehearsing for the onslaught. So rigorously means very carefully, very strictly. The team was rehearsing. You know what is rehearsal? It is practice. They were rehearsing for the onslaught. Onslaught means offense or attack, for a destructive attack. For a fear, I landed in Adelaide by the British Airways. So the author says that the writer over here, he says that he landed in Adelaide by British Airways. It is the flight which he had boarded, leading my international environment champion to attend the third international congress. So the author had been there for attending the third international congress program some years back. An Indian cricket team was there in Adelaide. So as my son had stood first in the World Environment Project, so here the author says that his son had got the first rank in this project of environment, World Environment Project. So he was invited with his principal to participate in the Congress. As he had got the first rank, so he was invited with the principal. The author says that his son was invited with the principal to participate in the Congress in that program. And another half a dozen means how many? Half a dozen means how many?
Six.
Yes. Six mischievous children like you all, right? Or like whom? Or no one is mischievous over here?
Half are there.
Half, okay. So, half a dozen mischievous children accompanied, means they also went along, accompanied me because they had also come out with flying colors. Come out with flying colors means what? With outstanding success. Even they were successful, just like author's son. Some other children, like around six, they had also come out with flying colors. They also had got the ranks in another similar project. Means not the project of environment, but some other project. They had achieved ranks. So that six children also accompanied author. And where did he go? Where was he?
Adelaide.
Adelaide. Second paragraph. Who will read? Yes, Bhimani Sabrina.
Yes, sir.
You can read the second paragraph.
Okay. We received a red carpet welcome there and all 90 greeties were taken care of by the organizers. They were also smart enough to interact with MS Dhoni and get us a slot with him for 2 days there. Amidst his hectic sections, we put our best foot forward by attending his press meeting held in the Oval. As a rep favored us as we were allotted to the first row. Tony was quick with the answer to all questions asked. The boys and the girls were euphoric. It was
Euphoric.
a euphoric. It was a great experience. He welcomed us and invited us as to the rehearsal the following day. After a cup of tea and some cookies, we went to the hotel, extremely thrilled and dumbstruck.
Okay, good. So we received a red carpet welcome. We means all, who all? The author, his son, and the other half a dozen children. They received a red carpet welcome. They were welcomed so warmly, and all the nitty gritties were taken care of. You know what is nitty gritty? All the essential things, the most important aspect, all the basic things, all the essential things were taken care of by the organizers. So the organizers of the program had invited them to attend uh, this program of the Congress, and they took care of all the nitty gritties, all the essential things, all the basic things, the most important things required by the author and the children. They were taken care by the organizations, but they were taken care of by the organizers. And they were also smart enough. They were also smart enough to interact with MS Dhoni and get us a slot with him. So they they gave them a chance to interact with MS Dhoni to talk. They can go and they can talk to him and get a slot. Get a slot means get some time. Get some time with him for 2 days there. So MS Dhoni was already there in Adelaide, and these children, along with the author, they got a chance to be with MS Dhoni for 2 days amidst the hectic sessions. Hectic means very busy because MS Dhoni was really very busy over there in his sessions, in his practice, and his matches. So, still, these people they got chance to interact with him for 2 days. We put our best foot forward. Now, what is the meaning of this idiom? To put the best foot forward means to behave well, behave in a way that you can impress someone, that you can convince someone. That is the meaning of this idiom. Put our best foot forward means to behave in a way so that the person agrees whatever you say. So we put our best foot forward by attending his press meet held in the Oval. As I said, Oval is the name of the Adelaide Sports Ground. There is a sports ground in the city of Adelaide. Oval is the name of that sports ground. So there was a press meet at Oval, which was in which MS Dhoni was there, and these children, along with the author, they attended that press meet just to just to show it to MS Dhoni that they are big fans. As luck favored us, we were all allotted the first row. So there are rows in which you have to sit first row, second row, and the third row. So in that press meet, they were all seated in the first row, just in front of MS Dhoni. And Dhoni was quick with the answers to all the questions asked. Very quickly, Dhoni was answering all the questions, and the boys and the girls were euphoric. What is the meaning of this word? Euphoric. The boys and the girls were euphoric, means they were intensely happy. When you are extremely happy or excited, that is called euphoric, joyful. So all the boys and girls were euphoric. It was great experience for them to sit in front of MS Dhoni. He welcomed us, invited us to the rehearsals the following day. Means the next day, MS Dhoni invited this whole group of the author and the children along with them to the rehearsals to come to the ground and see the practice done by Indian cricket team. After a cup of tea and some cookies, we went to the hotel, extremely thrilled and dumbstruck. So they had some snacks and then they went to the hotel. They were extremely thrilled, means they were pleased, they were excited, and they were dumbstruck, means they were shocked, or you can say amazed that MS Dhoni invited them to the rehearsals. It was really a thing which was amazing. So they were amazed and shocked. Understood up till here? Did you all understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Aisha. Would you like to read the next para?
Yes, sir. The next day was Aditya, one of the January's birthday. His mother had called on me in Chennai and given a new book as his birthday gift. She asked me to give the book as his birthday gift in Adelaide. In Adelaide. So I
Adelaide.
Adelaide. So I came up with a plan to make his birthday special. I wrapped the book carefully and left it on my table. The day began with the brilliant sun shining in the sky, surrounded by clouds. I took the gift and went to the stadium. The Indian skipper was there.
Okay, now see what happened. The next day, was Aditya's birthday. Aditya was one of the juniors, as it is written, means that children who were there along with the author. He was one of those children. It was his birthday, and they were in Adelaide, away from the hometown. They were not in India, they were in Australia. So Aditya's birthday was to be made special somehow. And Aditya's mother had already given a book to the author, to this man, the person who is narrating this incident. So, mother had already given the book when they were in India, that this book is to be given to Aditya on his birthday, as on his birthday, the mother knew that my son would be in Adelaide. So, mother had already given a book pre-planned to the author that please give this book on his birthday over there when you will be in Adelaide. So it was Aditya's birthday, and as it is written, she asked me to give the book as his birthday gift in Adelaide. Mother had already told the author that please just do me a favor, give this gift to him on my behalf on his birthday, as I will not be there with him. So I came up with a plan to make his birthday special. Now, author thought that this book may be an ordinary thing. Like book is nothing so no so costly, so something which is very exciting. But how to make his birthday special? That is what he thought. He wrapped the book. You know what is wrapping? To pack it, to pack a gift. So the author wrapped the book carefully and left it on the table. He left over there. The day began with a brilliant sunshine, and that day, when it was Aditya's birthday, that day was a sunny day. I should use my name over here, right? So, yes, Aisha?
No, Sakut.
Hmm. Did I make any mistake?
No, no.
Okay. So it was a sunny day, and the clouds surrounded the there were the clouds in the sky, but still it was the sun was shining bright. And I took a gift and went to the stadium. Now that gift which was wrapped, that book which was wrapped, packed properly, was taken to the stadium by the author. The Indian skipper was there. Skipper means what? The person who skips the ropes, is it?
Yes, yes, sir.
No. Here it means the Indian captain. Who was he?
MS
Indian
Dhoni.
captain.
Yes. So now, what was the plan? Do you understand what was the plan? Did you all understand what was the author's plan? How to make Aditya's birthday special? Do you get it? What
Yes.
was going on his mind? Yes, Almas, read the next two short paras.
When Dhoni walked towards us, I told him, Mr. Dhoni, today is Aditya's birthday. Will you please present him his mother's gift with your birthday message? He immediately agreed and was thrilled to do it. Aditya was awestruck and surprised. The children also rejoiced along with Aditya. They were ecstatic when Dhoni led us to
Ecstatic.
ecstatic when Dhoni led us to his practice sessions where the team members interact with us. Photographers cashed in on the opportunity. All our photos were flashed on only in Australian newspapers and on TV channels, but also in Indian newspapers and on TV channels.
So this is what happened. That was idea. That was the idea that author had on his mind. When Dhoni walked towards us, so they were in the stadium. Dhoni walked towards them. I told him, the author told him that he requested Dhoni that it was Aditya's birthday. So will he present this gift? Means that book which was wrapped, that was to be given to Aditya by MS Dhoni as requested by the author. author requested Dhoni that if he gives the gift, which was given by the mother actually, by Aditya's mother, if Dhoni gives the book with his hands, it would be really great. Aditya would be really very happy. And MS Dhoni would write a birthday message, just like we write happy birthday with the name, may God bless you. He immediately agreed. See, Dhoni was so humble. He is so humble. But at that time, he could have said no, being a captain. But he was so down to earth, he was so humble, he immediately agreed and he was thrilled. He was really happy that he got that chance. And he was feeling so happy that the people value him a lot. They are really not only the fans, but they worship him. Shocked at the same time. The children also rejoiced. The other children were there. They rejoiced. Rejoiced means they were glad. They were really happy along with Aditya because they also got the chance to meet him and they were ecstatic. Ecstatic means they were overjoyed, extremely happy, more than happy, extremely happy. So this rejoice, ecstatic are a kind of synonym, you can say. Surprised, they are a kind of synonyms. Then Dhoni led us to his practice session. So afterwards, Dhoni invited the whole group, author and the children along with them. Even Aditya was there. Dhoni welcomed them to watch the practice sessions which were going on, and also the other team members, Indian cricket team, interacted with these people. They talked with them. Photographers will be there, of course. Photographers will be there all the time where these celebrities are there because cricket team, after all, they are celebs. So photographers cashed in. They rushed in this opportunity. All the photos were flashed. The photos were flashing. Photos were clicked from all the four sides. And photos were not only shown on the TV channels of Australia, not only in the Australian newspapers, but also on Indian TV channels and also in the Indian newspapers. So that was really big achievement and opportunity for the author and these children. They got a lifetime memory with MS Dhoni. This is real. This is not a story. Okay, did you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then just tell me the answers of these blanks. I landed in dash, the southern continent.
Australia.
Okay, Australia. But what was the name of that place?
Adelaide.
Learn the spelling, please. And number two, the match would be played in dash, a prestigious stadium. What was the name of the stadium?
Oval.
The Oval. Owen. Where is Owen? Owen Fatima. Dash children accompanied me to the world champion. How many children?
Half dozen.
Half a dozen. Dash is the city where we stayed.
Adelaide.
Almas is representing the class 7D. Dash Airways.
British Airways.
So you all are smart enough. It is needless to say to take screenshot. Answers will not be sent. The PDF will be sent without answer. So take screenshot and later on you can complete it in your textbook. Taken?
Yes, sir.
See, wherever it is capital, be careful with the proper nouns. Okay. Should I change the screen now? If it is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we shall continue with the exercises in the next lecture. Try to be on time in the morning. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for coming and have a nice day.